There are three things that I think fundamentally have shifted. The first one is obviously the strategic asset management maturity across the sectors has significantly improved. Elected members are getting more and more engaged. And there is a real genuine mayoral and councillor push and acceptance of the fact that we need to spend more on existing assets and renew and maintain them as opposed to necessarily building new. And the last thing for me is what I'm now seeing is it's actually become simpler. Like Tanya said, finance understands how infrastructure is built. Engineers are a lot more adaptive in terms of how the storytelling should happen. And I think if this collaboration of accountaineering continues, we'll see a really fantastic era for the younger professionals to come into this sector.